Hello children, today we are learning how to write kicking curve, right? So, for writing kicking curve, we have to start it from the top line. Top start, slant down. Now, what we have to do, go up and go up till the first middle line only. Then make a round and then make a kick like this. So, this is the kick of the kicking curve, right? And I'm going to give it a smiley face, right? Okay, now let's write it one more time. Top start, slant down, go up, make a round and then make a kick. I spoke top start, but I have started it from the first middle line, right? That's why my kicking curve went underwater. And I have to give it a sad face because kicking curve never goes underwater, right? Now, top start, slant down, go up, make a round and then make a kick. I have started it from the top line, but my kicking curve went right side of this standing line. Okay, so again I have to give it a sad face. Now let's write it one more time and remember from where I have to start it. Top start, slant down, go up, make a round and then make a kick. So if you noticed, my round also touches this standing line and my kick is also touching this standing line, right? So this is the perfect one and I'm going to give it a smiley face, right? So that's how we have to write our kicking curve. Happy writing!